I got something. I have no clue what this is. It can be one of two things. It's either my U2s, finally, or it's my Spywatch from the Ultimate package. I don't know. But I have no clue. So, it's one of those two. So, let's open it. Come to think of it, it's probably my watch. Because the U2s would have a U2s box. I just realized. So, it's most likely my watch. Okay, yeah, I think it's the watch. I think... I'm still waiting on my U2s, don't know where it's at. I'm waiting patiently. I'm running out of patience, but... Ooh. Okay, that was very anticlimactic. Hold on. Ooh. There it is! What I've been waiting for months. I do really love this case, actually. It's a really cute, really pretty, really cute case. It's like very 50s. Oh, look how cute he is. He looks so freaking goofy. I've been waiting on this bad boy for months. And finally I have him. This came with the Ultimate bundle from the Season 2 package. And this was from the most expensive package, which I bought, clearly. A perfect fit. I really like him. He looks so goofy, but like, that's why I love it so much. And I do believe if you press this little button, like...
Breaking news tonight.
Okay, I barely caught that, but I think if you long press it...
How are you this hellish morning?
Okay, it plays Vox quotes. They're not anything new. They're not new, but they're just from the show. But it's still pretty cool.
We at VoxTek Enterprises have always been at the forefront of innovation.
I did not know it did that, actually, until I saw it on Twitter. Very cool. Yeah. I wouldn't press it in public because they're loud, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I like the case. I really like the case. It's really cute. Definitely going on display. Yeah.